This old workers' cottage behind me doesn't look like much from the outside, but believe me when I say this architectural renovation is absolutely going to blow your mind. So what are you waiting for, guys? Let's go check it out. So while that streetscape pays homage to the original cottage, the entrance to this home has been moved to the side so that you get the full impact of the modern renovation as soon as you step in the front door. You've got this incredible void with floating pendants as soon as you enter. It really gives off a resort style feeling. So we'll get to the kitchen and living in a second, but first, we've got a guest bedroom here. And then this bathroom just screams me. You've got a gorgeous blush pink wall, matching pink tiles, and that marble. What a space. So we walk under the hallway there, which is a really cool architectural feature, and into the kitchen. And just look at the height on that ceiling. We've even got a skylight to top it all off. It's almost 6 meters high in here. Now there's a lot to take in. The brush brass just looking so beautiful amongst this tonal palette. You've got this Carrara marble benchtops, which is almost a cream color. It is heavily veined, super interesting to the eye. Then they've paired it with an off-white laminate cabinetry. There's Zeliger tiles that reach all the way to the ceiling. Some really cool pendants there. And then of course the oak flooring just keeping us grounded. I'm absolutely in love with this palette. It's just timeless, it's elegant. In through here, we've got a butler's. Now the stones changed to a more subtle Carrara, but still a Carrara, so keeping that sort of consistent. And then through there, you've got the laundry. Now the stonework in this house is just incredible. Look at this island benchtop leg here. I've never seen anything quite like that before, super unique. And I love the detail of following the stone all the way through on the side of this cabinetry here. It's the details like this that really speak to this home's elegance. And here's a feature I have to touch on, these shutters that open exclusively this way, so your eye's guided out to the trees beyond, and it's blocking the house next door. It's just very clever. And then finally, the living. Got this gorgeous daybed running the whole length of this wall, and you gotta love it, a bit of hidden storage. Let's head upstairs. So this is the new part of the house still. We've got a sitting room here, and this is the entire master wing. And we go to the ensuite. I have no words. This bathroom is just incredible. Look at the detail and the curve of that shower. That is so grand. It feels like the most luxurious hotel. The skylight, we've even got that Carrara from the kitchen coming back in a nib wall feature here. And then this vanity is just a piece of art in itself. The Zuri basins allow for this stone to be perfectly seamless. Again, that brush brass and this creamy veiny stone, just a match made in heaven. So you've got a walk-in robe here, and then the wall curves and guides you into the main bedroom. Nice and spacious. You've even got a window seat here. Now let's go take a look at the cottage conversion, which is now the kids' wing. So we've got another bedroom here, or what could be a study or a nursery. And here is where the original house ended. So up the stairs, plenty of linen cupboard storage here. So you've got a bedroom off to my left. This whole end of the house is wrapped in white VJ paneling, which is a nice nod to the original cottage. And then is the main bathroom. We step over a stone threshold, which is a beautiful detail. You can see the old coming through in these French windows here with that brass handle, that Carrara marble, large format tile, but then it's blended with the new, with that pink marble and the pink Zeliger tiles coming back. It's a beautiful blend of that heritage style with that modern Australian style. So down the hall, we've got another bedroom to my left and right. So this actually used to be the original front door to the workers' cottage, but they've converted this area to a balcony area, which is now just a seating space. From this view, you can really appreciate the size of this property, which is something that you definitely don't gauge from that streetscape alone. Hope you guys have loved touring Hazlewood with us today. I love the way that they played with colour but kept it neutral enough to be timeless. This home really evokes all the senses, and that was definitely purposeful, and so just a big kudos to Favell for an incredible project. We'll see you next time, guys.